bespectacled man who stood by my side and quietly said to me, "Ma'am, don't mean to intrude, but I was just wondering, are you in need of some help?" I said, "No, yes I am." The next thing you know, we're sipping hot chocolate and telling my troubles to her. Whose tender brown eyes were sending compassionate looks. A trip to the library has made a new girl of me, for suddenly I can see the magic of books. I have to admit, in the back of my mind, I was hoping he wouldn't get fresh. And all of the while I was wondering how an illiterate girl could attract him. Of course he said that it couldn't go wrong with the way of all flesh. Of course it's a novel, but I didn't know I certainly wouldn't have smacked him. Then he gave me that smile that I couldn't resist. And I knew at once how much I liked this optometrist. You know what this dear, sweet, thickly bespectacled gentleman said to me next? He said he could solve this problem of mine. I said,